A very good morning to one and all. I welcome back you once again to my YouTube video in this beautiful morning where the air quality index near me at around 100 and is considered as moderate. But I'm going to talk about some serious pollution crisis in Delhi NCR. So recently there is a report published, A Generation Under Siege, and under this report a survey was conducted of around 1257 students, and survey have given so many disturbing figures. And this survey says that 55% of the children from age group of 6 to 15 from the peak pollution months, that is from October 2025 to January 2026, have missed their schools because of pollution related health issues. 44% of them have visited doctors, and many of them have visited doctor more than once because of health related issues due to pollution. 77% of students are feeling fearful, irritated, distressed, and under high fatigue, and they are also facing lot of health issues. So this is a very serious concern, and this concern must be acknowledged at the top level, because pollution has to become a national priority as of now, and this is killing our children, and not only the children but also adults. And as our country is already affecting with so many diseases, including obesity, including tuberculosis issues, and upcoming cases of cancer, we need to provide some better air quality to these children. A large percent of these children have used N95 masks, air purifiers, and so many things to save themselves from this toxic air. Delhi NCR has become a gas chamber, and government needs to be very serious about upcoming days and upcoming, because this year also we will be celebrating Diwali, we will be celebrating every festival, and as well as there will be farm fires, and government has not able to stop any of the pollution related issues. And so we need to be very serious about it. Several children have said that they will be very happy if they will come out from the Delhi NCR, because the only one who is getting affected are the poor people, or these children who are coming out of their houses to schools. And schools also needs to implement the air purifiers to themselves, so that the children must be saved. Thank you.